A software engineer, I think of it as problem solving, really, and you're applying technology and whatever, there's many different platforms that you can develop software in. So whatever technology that you're using using it to try to meet a specific business need or a specific educational goal, depending on what you're working on. Generally, I think it would be a 4-year degree in a field like computer science or information technology, or in my case, I have a degree in computer engineering. This is a very small company that I work for, so one of the things that I really like about my job is that I do get to wear multiple hats. I am not always sitting behind a computer coding. That's some of what I do, but it's not all of what I do. I frequently interact with clients. I am sometimes the manager on a project, so I'm directing other people who may be doing some of the programming or other work. I send a lot of emails back and forth between colleagues and between the company and whatever clients we're working for. I do some writing, actually. I write proposals, and sometimes if it's a content-heavy project, I will be working on writing content. I do some data analysis. Right now I'm working on a project where I am looking at a large volume of data, trying to organize it, make sense of it, and figure out how to best utilize it for the project that we're working on. So I really do a lot of different things, and that's one of the things I like about my job is really the variety. Well, I do have a family. I have 2 young children, and to be honest, it is a challenge, and I think all working women face that challenge, and it's not an easy decision whether you decide to stay at home or whether you decide to keep working. In my case, I was really fortunate to be working for a boss that was extremely understanding and actually allowed me to cut back to part-time for several years while my kids were very small, so that I had the opportunity to really stay in the working world and feel like I was still honing my skills and making contributions to the work world, but still able to be at home for a good portion of the time with my kids. And so that was really valuable to me. IT is so much broader than people think it is. I think that people have this idea that if I go into IT or get a degree in computer science, I'm going to be stuck behind a desk for the rest of my life in a cubicle, not interacting with people and coding. And that's just not the case. IT can be whatever you want to make out of it. If you've got a passion about something or some industry that may or may not even, you may not think it's IT related, I would do a little bit of research and find out how might I apply technology to that field, because I think you might be surprised at what you find and the opportunities that would be opened up to you.